One hostile entering the system, sir. They are powering up their weapon systems.
Here we go again.
Changing torpedo load.
Sir, we are draining their top shield. Sir, their aft shield is draining. Their forward shield is draining. Target hull integrity at 75%. Their bottom shield is draining, sir.
Lowering shields for transport.
Sir, they have hull breaches on multiple decks.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed.
Cancel
Sir,
red alert.
That's the last of them. I believe we're in the clear.
That was not really the kind of party I was
Captain.
expecting.
All stations, damage report.
Impulse engines are fully functional. Warp engines fully functional, Captain.
Phaser array is fully functional. Torpedo system is fully functional, Captain. Tractor beam is fully functional, Captain.
Sensor system is fully functional.
Hull integrity at 100%. Shields are at 100%.
Your orders, Captain?